In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Teamwork features comparison, which is better for project management. We're taking a clear, side-by-side look at how these two platforms approach project management, where each one shines, and what kind of work they support best. Whether you're opening them for the first time or weighing pros and cons for your team, this walkthrough will help you connect each feature to a real outcome, so you can make a confident choice based on how you actually run projects. Let's start with ClickUp. It positions itself as the software to replace all software, with the goal of saving time, money, and friction by unifying work in a single place. A big theme here is eliminating work sprawl, that chaos where details get scattered and context gets lost. At the center of this approach is ClickUp Brain, an always-on intelligent assistant designed to surface information, manage projects, and speed up day-to-day execution with AI talk-to-text that helps you type significantly faster. The idea is to reduce the little delays that add up across meetings, documents, and status checks. ClickUp leans heavily into specialized AI agents. Project management agents track deliverables and keep momentum visible. Marketing agents can help draft copy, while software agents aim to assist with code generation. There are also agents focused on operations and employee experience, taking on tedious check-ins so strategy and execution stay connected without constant manual follow-up. The broader promise is measurable impact, strong return on investment, meaningful time savings, and faster payback as teams standardize their work in one enterprise-grade system that aligns with global security standards. It's built for scale and used across a wide variety of industries, with a particular emphasis on cross-functional productivity. Now, let's look at Teamwork. This platform focuses on helping teams reduce manual work, manage staff capacity, and keep projects on time and under budget. What sets it apart is its roots in client work. It's built specifically to manage client projects profitably by combining powerful project management with streamlined operations. If your organization delivers projects to external clients and needs repeatable processes around budgets, utilization, and delivery, this is where Teamwork is designed to excel. Teamwork provides a single place for tasks and files, and it adapts to your preferred way of working with flexible views like Gantt charts and boards. As projects grow more complex, it supports portfolio management to coordinate many initiatives, time tracking to capture billable work, and workload management to plan staffing intelligently. It integrates with existing tools so you can keep your ecosystem intact while centralizing project execution. Different departments get tailored value. Agencies can schedule resources and monitor profitability. Marketing teams can align across campaigns, and creative teams can lean on time tracking to meet deadlines. Robust dashboards and reporting unify everything into a single source of truth, from initial planning through monthly reporting. Here's how to think about them in practice. ClickUp is built as a wide, all-in-one workspace with AI deeply woven into the core. If your challenge is scattered work, too many apps, too many places to look for answers, its intelligent assistant and agents are designed to bring clarity and speed. You'll feel the benefit most when your teams span multiple functions and need to share context across projects without hopping between systems. It's especially compelling if you want to automate routine check-ins and reduce the manual coordination that slows teams down. Teamwork is purpose-built for client delivery. If your business depends on accurate scoping, on-time delivery, capacity planning, and profitable utilization, its emphasis on time, workload, and portfolio oversight fits naturally. Gantt and board views help plan execution, while dashboards and reporting give leaders a reliable readout of progress and performance. In agencies and services organizations, the focus on resourcing and month-to-month visibility can translate directly into smoother operations and healthier margins. When it comes to daily experience, consider where your teams spend effort. ClickUp's AI, talk-to-text, and ambient answers are all about shrinking the micro frictions, writing, summarizing, updating, and finding context quickly, so individual contributors move faster. The specialized agents reinforce that by aligning project tracking, marketing content, and software work in one intelligent layer. Teamwork's strength shows up when project managers and operations leaders need dependable structure, capturing time, forecasting workload, and rolling everything up into digestible dashboards that leadership can trust without extra spreadsheet work. Security and scale also matter. ClickUp highlights enterprise-grade standards and global compliance, which can be critical for larger organizations with strict requirements. Teamwork's emphasis is on running every aspect of client work in one place, maintaining a dependable chain from planning to reporting without overcomplicating the toolset for services teams. So, which is better for project management depends on your reality. If you're a cross-functional organization chasing efficiency across many types of work, and you want AI to remove friction and bring scattered context into one intelligent workspace, ClickUp aligns closely with that vision. If you're a client services or agency-led business where success is measured by on-time delivery, accurate staffing, and profitable projects, Teamwork's purpose-built focus on capacity, time, and reporting will feel immediately relevant and easier to operationalize. Whichever way you lean, anchor your decision in how your teams get work done, what data you must report on, and where the biggest delays come from today. Match those needs to the strengths we discussed, and you'll land on a platform that not only fits, but actually makes your processes faster, clearer, and more sustainable. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.